फुल एजुकेशन सपोर्ट चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। Tybcom सेमेस्टर 5 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज है। आपका सब्जेक्ट है डायरेक्ट टेस्ट और वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज मैं आप लोगों के सामने डिस्कस कर रही हूँ। ऑलरेडी 2 वीडियो मैंने बनाए थे जहाँ पे वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस कराए गए थे ऑल चैप्टर्स के। तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिए, दोस्तों में भी शेयर करिए, वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करिएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सैलरी बोनस कमीशन और रेम्यूनरेशन ड्यू टू और रिसीव बाय वर्किंग पार्टनर फ्रॉम द फर्म इज टैक्सेबल अंडर द हेड। इसका आंसर है बिजनेस इनकम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, परक्विजिट रिसीव बाय एन एसएससी ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ कैरिंग ऑन हिज बिजनेस और प्रोफेशन इज टैक्सेबल अंडर द हेड। इसका आंसर है बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशनल इनकम। Question number 3, interest on capital or loan received by partner from a firm is dash. इसका आंसर है taxable as business and profession income. Question number 4, under the head business or profession, the method of accounting which an SSC can follow shall be. इसका आंसर है mercantile और cash system. Question number 5, export incentives received by an SSC are. इसका आंसर है taxable as business income. Question number 6, M who was carrying on agency business received a sum of 5 lakh from his principal for termination of agency compensation, so receive shall be. इसका आंसर है full taxable as business income. Question number 7, depreciation is allowed in case of. इसका आंसर है tangible and intangible asset. Question number 8, if the asset of a particular block is acquired, put it to use during the previous year for less than 180 days, the SSC shall be entitled to depreciation. इसका आंसर है at 50% of normal rate. Question number 9, which of the following tax is allowed as a deduction while computing the business income? इसका आंसर है GST. Question number 10, where the amount of an expenditure claim as a deduction exceed rupees 10,000, it should be paid by dash. इसका आंसर है account payee, check and draft. Question number 11, where the amount of an expenditure claim as a deduction exceed rupees 10,000 and it is not made by account payee, check and draft. इसका आंसर है 100% of such a payment shall be disallowed. Question number 12, expenditure incurred on family planning among the employee is allowed to dash. इसका आंसर है a company SSC. Question number 13, profit on sale of import license is dash. इसका आंसर है tax as profit and gain of business. Question number 14, export cash assistance earned by any person from government is. इसका आंसर है tax as a profit and gains of a business. Question number 15, profit on transfer of duty entitled passbook is. इसका आंसर है taxes as a profit and gain of business. Question number 16, value of any perquisite arising from a business is. इसका आंसर है tax as a profit and gain of business. Question number 17, salary received by partner from firm allowed to be deducted from the firm income under section 40B is. इसका आंसर है tax as a profit and gain of business in the hand of partner. Question number 18, received by a retiring partner from firm for agreed not to carry on a similar business after retirement is. इसका आंसर है taxes as a profit and gain of business in the hand of a partner. Question number 19, any sum received under key man insurance policy include bonuses. इसका आंसर है taxed as a profit and gain of business. Question number 20, income from illegal business example smuggling is. इसका आंसर है taxed as a profit and gain of business. Question number 21, what is the charge to tax under profit and gain from businesses. इसका आंसर है net profit. Question number 22, the following business loss is deductible from profit of business. इसका आंसर है theft of cash. Question number 23, the share of partner in the income of a firm which is separately assessed as a firm is. इसका आंसर है exempt from tax to the extent of its share is taxable income. Question number 24, an SSC uses plant and machinery for the purpose of carrying on his business under section 31, he shall be eligible for deduction on account of. इसका आंसर है current repair. Question number 25. XYZ Limited incurred capital expenditure of rupees 1,50,000 on 1st April 2018 for acquisition of a patent and copyright. Such expenditure is dash is considered as subject to depreciation under section 32. Question number 26. Any expenditure incurred on scientific research related to the SSC business is considered is allowed to be deducted at the rate 100%. Question number 27. Any capital expenditure on scientific research related to the SSC business is considered is allowed to be deducted from 100%. Question number 28. Any sum paid to an approved university to be used for scientific research is considered is allowed to be deducted from 175%. Question number 29. Any sum paid to an approved company to be used by such a company for scientific research is considered is allowed to be deducted at the rate 125%. Question number 30. Any sum paid to an approved national laboratory for an approved research program is considered is allowed to be deducted at the rate 200%. Question number 31. Any sum paid to an approved an Indian Institute of Technology for an approved research program is considered is allowed to be deducted at the rate 200%. Question number 32. Section 35D provide for amortizations of preliminary expenses incurred by is considered Indian companies and other resident or non-corporate taxpayer. Next question. 33. Section 35D provide for an amortization of preliminary expenses is considered over a period of 5 years. Question number 34. Section 35D allow amortization of preliminary expenses in case of an Indian company is considered at 5% of the cost of the project or 5% of capital employed in the business of the company, whichever is higher. Question number 35. Section 35D give an option to an Indian company to claim 5% of the capital employed in the business of a company for amortization as a preliminary expenses. Capital employed in the business of a company means is considered aggregate of the issue share capital, debenture and long-term borrowing. Question number 36. Which of the following is true? Is considered expenses for promoting family planning among employee can be claimed by company. Question number 37. Royalty of rupees 15 lakh has been paid to a non-resident for a previous year 18-19. Tax to be deducted rupees 3,50,000 and due date for payment is 30 June 2018. SSC has not deducted a tax at source at all. It's considered royalty will be disallowed as a deduction in assessment year 1920. Question number 38. Royalty of rupees 15 lakh has been paid to a non-resident for the previous year 2018-19. Tax to be deducted is rupees 3,50,000 and due date for payment is 13 June 2018. The SSC has duly deducted tax at source but not paid the same to the government in time. इसका आंसर है royalty will be as a deduction in assessment year 1920. Question number 39. Royalty of rupees 15 lakh has been paid to a non-resident for a previous year 2018-19. Tax to be deducted is rupees 3,50,000 and due date for payment is 30 June 2018 and SSA has duly deducted tax at the source and paid the same to the government. इसका आंसर है royalty will be allowed as a deduction in assessment year 1920. Question number 40. Royalty of rupees 15 lakh has been paid to a non-resident for the previous year 18-19. Tax to be deducted is rupees 3,50,000 and due date for payment is 30 June 2018. The SSC has duly deducted tax at source and paid the same to the government in December 2018. इसका आंसर है royalty will be allowed as a deduction in assessment year 1920. Next question. ABC Limited pay GST for the financial year 2018-19 before 13 September 2019. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? So and question number 42. ABC Limited pay the excise duty for the previous year 17-18 and 1st October 2019. इसका आंसर है एक्सरसाइज ड्यूटी विल बी अलाउ एज अ डिडक्शन इन असेसमेंट ईयर 2020-21. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कैपिटल गेन अराइज फ्रॉम द ट्रांसफर ऑफ, इसका आंसर है एनी कैपिटल एसेट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच एसेट इज नॉट ट्रीटेड एज अ कैपिटल एसेट फॉर अ गेन पर्पज, इसका आंसर है प्लांट एंड मशीनरी हेल्ड एज अ स्टॉक इन ट्रेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन अराइज ऑन ट्रांसफर ऑफ लिस्टेड शेयर एंड यूनिट हेल्ड बाय द एसएससी फॉर नॉट मोर देन, इसका आंसर है 12 मंथ from the date of acquisition. Question number 4, take from the following capital asset where there will be long term capital gain if such a asset is transferred after it is held for 14 months, इसका आंसर है यूनिट ऑफ इक्विटी MF। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, the distribution of asset at the time of partial or complete partial of HUP shall, इसका आंसर है neither be regarded as a transfer in hand of HUF nor in the हैंड ऑफ कंपेसर, इसका आंसर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, द एसएससी इज अलाउड टू ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर मार्केट वैल्यू एज ऑन 1 अप्रैल 2001 इन केस ऑफ, इसका आंसर है ऑल कैपिटल एसेट अदर देन डेप्रिसिएबल एसेट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, कॉस्ट ऑफ इंप्रूवमेंट ऑफ गुडविल ऑफ अ बिजनेस शैल बी, इसका आंसर है नील। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, इन केस ऑफ लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन द अमाउंट टू बी डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम सेल कंसिडरेशन शैल बी, इसका आंसर है इंडेक्स कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्विजिशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, कन्वर्जन ऑफ कैपिटल एसेट इनटू स्टॉक इन ट्रेड विल रिजल्ट इनटू कैपिटल गेन ऑफ द प्रीवियस ईयर, इसका आंसर है इन विच सच a converted asset is sold or otherwise transferred. Question number 10, where capital asset is converted into stock in trade, then for the purpose of computations the capital gain, the full value of consideration shall be, इसका आंसर है the market value of the asset on date of conversion of such asset. Question number 11, in case of compulsory acquisition the indexations of cost of acquisition and improvement shall be done till the, इसका आंसर है previous year of compulsory acquisition. Question number 12, income from sale of household furniture is, इसका आंसर है not taxable as capital gain. Question number 13, income from sale of rural agriculture land is, इसका आंसर है not taxable as a capital gain. Question number 14, which of the following is a capital asset for the purpose of capital gain tax, इसका आंसर है share of domestic companies. Question number 15, to be a long term capital asset a residential house property should be held or more than, इसका आंसर है 24 month. Question number 16, share held for less than 12 months are, इसका आंसर है short term capital gain. Question number 17, house property held for less than 36 months is, इसका आंसर है short term capital asset. Question number 18, listed share held for 15 months are, इसका आंसर है long term capital asset. Question number 19, indexation is applicable to, इसका आंसर है sale of long term capital asset which are not depreciable asset. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, कॉस्ट ऑफ लॉन्ग टर्म डिबेंचर, इसका आंसर है नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर इंडेक्सिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, व्हाट इज द डेट ऑन विच फेयर मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ कैपिटल एसेट एक्वायर्ड इज डिटरमाइंड, इसका आंसर है 1 अप्रैल 2001. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, FMV ऑन 1 अप्रैल 2001 इज एप्लीकेबल टू एन एसेट, इसका आंसर है एक्वायर प्रीवियर टू 1 अप्रैल 2001. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन ऑन सेल ऑफ अनलिस्टेड शेयर आर, इसका आंसर है टैक्सेबल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन ऑन सेल ऑफ लिस्टेड शेयर आर, इसका आंसर है एग्जेम्प्टेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन ऑन सेल ऑफ अनलिस्टेड शेयर आर, इसका आंसर है टैक्सेबल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, कैपिटल गेन ऑन कंपल्सरी एक्विजिशन ऑफ अर्बन एग्रीकल्चर लैंड इज, इसका आंसर है एग्जेम्प्टेड कैपिटल गेन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, where the capital asset become the property of SSC in any mode given under section 49(1), the cost acquisition of such a asset shall be, इसका आंसर है cost for which the previous owner of the property acquired it. Question number 28, the cost inflation index number of previous year 2018-19 is, इसका आंसर है 2280. Question number 29, conversion of capital asset into stock in trade will result into capital gain of the previous year, इसका आंसर है in which such a converted asset is sold or otherwise transferred. Question number 30, conversion of personal effect into stock in trade shall, इसका आंसर है not be subject to capital gain. Question number 31, where capital asset is converted into stock in trade then for purpose of computation of capital gain the full value of consideration shall be, इसका आंसर है market value of asset on the date of conversion of such asset. Question number 32, where the capital asset is converted into stock in trade the indexation of cost of acquisition and cost of improvement shall be done, इसका आंसर है till the previous year of conversion of such a capital asset. Question number 33, where a partner transfer any capital asset into a business firm say the sale of consideration such a market such a asset to the partner shall be, इसका आंसर है price at which it was recorded in the book of the firm. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, वेयर एनी कैपिटल एसेट इज ट्रांसफर बाय टू इट्स पार्टनर. गाइज वीडियो लेंथी हो रहा है इसलिए हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. ऑलरेडी डायरेक्ट टेक्स्ट के ऑल चैप्टर के एमसीक्यूज आपको मिल जाएंगे. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको लिंक मिल जाएगी, तो सभी लिंक्स में जाके आप लोग एमसीक्यूज देख सकते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.